Hi everyone, so I'm just back with another little digital kit that I've put together, and also I've done some freebies as well, and I will link the freebies below as well. I haven't actually printed them out yet. So anyway, this is, what have I called this? Around the Christmas Tree, and it's just a little 5-page £1 budget kit. So I'll have the link for that, and I've shrunk it down because I've been asked to make a little journal for someone, and I'm going to use this for it. It's just a plain little journal so they can fill it all in themselves. So anyway, there's this page here, and then we have this one. I shrunk that down to 75%, but it is a full size. And if you can print borderless, you will get like a whole page. There we go. And I actually done some little Christmas tree framed photos, so they're like Polaroids, but I'm not sure if I can use the word Polaroid in my title with anything, so you can check that out in my shop as well. So that's a little 5-page kit, and there are also another, there's a little 3-page freebie kit. I'll link that below as well, so go check it out. Thank you to everyone who has bought my little kits over the last couple of weeks, and also bought me a coffee as well. I do appreciate that. That's very generous of you. So I'm not working on a Christmas journal at the moment, but I am working on a shabby vintage journal. But I am still going to be making some Christmas projects in between, so watch out for them too. So I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.